what I have. Let's get started. Server. So this is not my image. Yeah. Remove the background. Okay, guys, I'm removing the background image that I have there. Just removed it, and I've got the proper layout. And yesterday we saw the portfolio. So guys, let's get started. First of all, yeah, let me fix this part. Yeah, this image isn't known. So one thing I can do is to bring it properly into the center. What I can do is just go to, for image I have this div called range. I can come here. Let me see if this works. Flex justify content center and align item center. This works. This is not working. I have something called as, everybody knows this, we have something called as position property, and that can be relative, and I can move it to from top. I can move it around 30 pixels. Yeah, it came to the bottom. This is enough. Now I'll take this top. I have this one info. Yeah. This also I can give position property as relative, and I'm going to take this. So I'll push it from bottom. Okay, from bottom I'll push 30 pixels. So this looks quite aligned. I'll do it some more. I will do like 40 pixels. Yes, this looks okay for me. But the image is not looking perfect. Okay, but for that also I'll do some changes. So let me just come here. Open on my house some. I left the link behind. Guys, did I share you the link of the portfolio yesterday that we're supposed to make?
No, sir.
No, Shai.
I'm not sure.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is why. Yes, let me see.
In previous video, how you got that image we have, like our portfolio we have.
Okay, in the video we have, right? Okay. Okay, from the video I can take.
Yeah.
Even this looks similar. So I think for now, let's work on this, and I'll save the profile picture for this one. Okay, so guys, see here, background looks amazing for this guy. Okay, so for this and all, you can do it in Canva. Okay, choose whatever the size you want, and you can make the changes. I always prefer going for Instagram size, or you can go for any size you want. I'm just giving you a suggestion. Yeah, I always prefer to go for Instagram size. Okay, so here I don't have the image. I'll just go to Canva. So here what I'm doing is I'm styling my image. I'm styling my profile picture so that I can add it to my browser, because even I want to because even I should publish a picture. Even I should publish a portfolio, right? So I'll just copy this like jack. So let me do like this, and this has a this kind of background, but I don't want the background. I'll give some blue color and this color. Let's see. So I can add the background. I can go to elements from here. What I can do is I can pick the elements that I want. Yeah. So this one. I can pick whatever the elements I want, and I can change the color of the element. My portfolio has the same color, right? This color. Sky blue one. So this is the one. So I just this, and I'll add one more circle that has here, and this should have blue color. Previously it was looking good. Let it be this color itself. I'll add one more circle. Okay, adding a bit of green over here. It should be bigger. So what I'll do is I'll make it green. Yes. Yeah. So guys, this is looking okay for me. So what I'll do is I'll just so this is looking okay for me. I can put my phone down the side. What I'll do is I'll just save here. So guys, let me know which format I need to save my picture here. Should I do it in JPG or PNG?
PNG for transparent background.
Thank you guys. That was a great answer. So what I would do is I would save my image into port. I'll just save it. Now what I do is I have this portfolio PNG image here. So instead of having this image, what I will do is I would just copy path and I would save it here. So it's not working. Let me see what's the error. I think I can do it directly in this one. Okay, this is working. So I can see still it has a background of white, but even though my image is PNG, there's a background white. Why? Why Taiwan? Why? Download this. Okay, here I forgot to select this transparent background, or I have already told you that you can use VG remover and some of the tools that we have. You can use that as well. Okay, just leave in the same. Yes, replace it. Okay, now if you can see you have a good profile picture, and I can make the changes as well. And I can change the image size and all. I can change the image size to, guys, just give me a minute. Let me know, guys, if I have to show it to you guys how to add the image to the portfolio. I can do that.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is, first of all, whatever the folder it is, inside the folder, wherever your image is, what you can do is you can just copy this image. Let's say I have an image here. Just copy the image, or do Control C here. Yeah. Come here inside this and just paste. Okay, I have already pasted this, so it is not working. Let me copy some other image and show it. I'll copy this image and just come here. Okay, don't select on any file. Just come here and click on paste. It should be pasted. Oh no, it is not working. Things in back in settings. Okay, so guys, what you can do is, one more thing, what you can do is you can just drag and drop from here. You can drag and you can drop it here. Just drop and you will get this image. So instead of putting the name of the image, you will put whatever the name of the image, whatever we have it here, you'll put it here. So let's say I'll put the slash. This slash is important. You need to put the slash. Then what you can do is, see, the name of the image is mirror. Type mirror dot jpg. Save. And if you just go here, see, you can see the image. Guys, understood how to add your own images to your website?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll go back and I'll add my images. Let me just delete this. I don't like this mirror image. Slash word instead of portfolio URL dot png. I can also increase the size of the image, since I know it is not looking good. So I'll increase the size of the image as well and make it 3. I'll make this also. Yeah, the size of the image is a bit bigger. I'm happy. Inside the image also, I'll make some changes. I'll change the width to B. I'll select here. I'll select here. Inside the image also, what I'll do is I'll change the width. Let's see, 300 pixels. It's bigger. You make it a bit more bigger. It's bigger, a bit more. Yeah, it's going outside, so I'll reduce a bit. I think 370 pixels of it. Yes, guys, will be looking good for me. I'm happy with the result, so I'll push it more. Not from another. Pixels. 10 pixels. Yeah. If not, I'll just remove this. This is looking good. So guys, we have built the better portfolio. I think comparatively, whatever we saw yesterday, I think we have been better than that. Yeah. Here, I think the creamish color should be a bit more. Increase more. Let's see. Yeah. I hear you. This is okay, okay. Yeah, guys, you guys can add your logo and all here. So let me move forward and add few more things here. About, you can add about you, but I don't think so. I need about, yeah, and think I think I can add this services I provide. I think I can add this, but I don't like the style of whatsoever it is. I don't like the style. Yeah, we'll add something. I think we can add this cards. Okay, guys, you guys know how to add the cards and all. We'll see in the bootstrap if we find something that we can add to our website, and that would be convenient as well. So let's see if we have any cards that we can add to our website. Let's go to this, components, cards. This card is okay, but I don't want to add it. This card, yeah, I think this is good. I can add the on top. I can give one, like services I provide, and inside that I can write things. This looks awesome. Or even this is list kind of thing. Even this looks awesome. I know everything looks good, but let's go for one thing. Okay, as of now, I'll go for this one. Instead of adding this one, what I'll do is I'll add projects here in the bottom section now. So let me just come down. Yeah. So I'm starting entirely a new section. So what I'll do is I'll just write here. So this should be class projects. So inside this I would have a single section. So I'll create a different div here. So inside that I'll have a h1 that says, it's not h1, I'll make it not h1, I'll make it h2. Inside this I'll write something called projects. Okay, it's going there. Why is it going there? Okay, sorry. See guys, the mistake I have did is I have added this everything inside this hero section itself. I don't have to add that inside hero section. I should add all these things out of hero section. Okay, I'll add all these things out of hero sections. Now you can see there is a different part which is getting started now. Okay, since I have given the same background color for everything, it has applied. Since I've given the background color into this one, so it has applied for everything. So but I want the projects to start separately. I don't want any background color for that. Now we'll make changes for that as well. So I have the projects, then I'll start pasting these cards from just paste it here, save. Now let me check my portfolio. I have this card, but I don't want, I just want the name of the project that I have did, and just a description about it, and the link. Not, I don't want this, what is this? Card subtitle. But I want this card subtitle. I don't want card subtitle. I have removed it. And I don't want this. Okay, let it be this big, not an issue. But I don't want this one link. I just only want one link. I don't want two links. So what I would do is I'll just remove this here. I'll make it p tag. This also I'll make it p. Yeah. Okay, so p tag, as soon as I put p tag, it's joining in this. So I'll just remove this also. Okay, better inside of doing, instead of doing that one style. Okay, style position. Sure, no. So let this be like this. It's not an issue. Let me just remove this. I just want one link that I can navigate. Yeah, project. And just mention a project. As soon as somebody clicks here, he'll go to my project page. Okay, so what I would do is let that project be there itself. I'll wrap this everything inside one more div called div that has a class name of pro contain, which means project container. And I'll put this cards here inside this one so that I can style all together. And just save this, and I'll add one more card and one more card. Save. I have all these three cards. I know the cards are like this, but I want to put it in this format, so I'll do that as well. So what I will do is okay. So guys, it's coming in the it's coming in the format of column. So how do I make it to sit like this? Sit here horizontally. Sorry, sit here. Yes, somebody was saying
Display like
display flex. So guys, that was a good answer. First, I'll just select this flow container because all these cards are inside this one. So I'll just select this one, and what I will do is select it. Then I'll just do display flex. Let's see if this works. Oof, this worked out. I'm happy that this is working. And also to the p tag, I want it to be in center in the project. Okay, I will do that as well, but to make some changes, justify content center. I got it in center. Awesome. So inside that, I want to place a margin. I want to give a margin for every element. For every div, I want to give a margin inside this class. Guys, any idea how do we do that? I see these boxes. If you see here, no, there is no gap between these boxes, but I want some gap in that between the gap in the boxes. How do I do that? Any idea?
in the class itself we give margin. Is that okay, right? In that particular pro container class, if you give margin, it lacked for the same all three cards. No?
Let's see that. If I give margin, let's say 10 pixels, okay, see it's not working. It is applying the margin. If you go to inspect element and if you check here, like how I told you yesterday, if you just check here, see the margin is the margin is actually applied here. Margin part is applied, but it is not visible because uh, because the pro cont that I have told here, pro cont that I have selected here, this container contains all the three patterns, but I want it for all the individual cards. There are two ways to do that. One is I can tell the program, I can tell the application that select this pro container. Inside this pro container, how many divs are there? Div 1, 2, 3 divs are there. For all the divs inside this pro container, all the divs give the margin of, let's see if this works, if the margin of 10 pixels. See, this is working simple, but I don't want 20. Yeah, let it be 10 pixels. This works. Yeah, see all the divs have the 10 pixels margin now. Okay, so let me bring this projects here in the center and give some uh, as well. Let me give the class name as projects. Just copy this. Just copy this projects. Okay, dot projects text align center. Oh my god, I think for everything it got selected. I just want only okay. Okay, see here also project head. Okay, because this is a project heading. So text align center. Yeah. I think I've not saved it. So awesome. See guys, this portfolio is looking awesome for me. Yeah. We'll add few more things. Yeah, we'll add few more things. I don't want this to be this is a bit boring. I'll add some buttons, some good buttons from Bootstrap. What color of button I can add? I can add green color buttons, I can add orange color button, this orange color must sound, so I can add orange color button, or I can add this sky blue color. I'll add this sky blue color buttons. This one looks awesome. This one looks awesome. So I'll add this buttons inside this all the cards. I'll remove this anchor tag. This button. Let's see if this works. See, button is working. See that the padding and the gap, we can fix that. Not an issue. We can fix that. Okay. So, guys, I'll fix the padding for this one. I don't want this much of gap there. So what I would do is inside this pro container, there is one more class called btn. For button, there is a class called btn. Inside this container, there is a btn. So what I would do is select this pro container. So inside that I have something called as btn. So what I would do is margin 5 pixels. See, the margin has reduced. I can go in minus as well. See, the margin has reduced. No, I'm not in minus. Okay. So instead of info, you can give something else. Why I'm giving the same color in a sense, because I should match all the things in my portfolio. This is the rule of the portfolio, guys. So whatever the portfolio templates you can see here, everything you can see in the alignment. Okay, most of the templates will be in the same alignment, in the same format. If it has a black color theme, it will have a same black color theme. If it has a white color theme, it will have a white color theme. So yeah, I've built some of the websites for some of my clients. You can see that, even that carries the same. This has a white and black kind of thing, white and black and right. So entire website that I have built here, see, entire website that I have built here. See, even in the hover colors, background color for the buttons, even that has like black color. So entire theme is the same. So you need to follow this procedure. Okay, I cannot put this in the center. That would not be good. Yeah. So always keep that format. Okay. So let's move forward. Project. I don't want in this font. I can change the font overhead. font family. Nah, looking for Georgia. Georgia. So yes, yeah. So Georgia is fixed now. Okay. I can change the color also. I'll change the color. Or I don't like this color. I'll make it with, and I'll give the font weight to 100. Okay, this is looking good, but yeah, the color. Yeah, this is looking good. Awesome. But I want some gap between this. What I can do is and give margin top, that's 20 pixels. I want some more gap, like 7 pixels. Yes. Or you can also add a line here. Yeah, you can also add a line here if you want to separate this section and this section. Or we'll separate the entire section if you want. You can do that as well. I've added my projects. I can add the projects here. Okay. Whatever you're doing, you guys will be doing the projects. You guys can add to your projects here. Let's say to do list. This is a famous projects. Yeah, to do list. You can add and Netflix clone. Netflix clone. And you can ask, or you can add some of the projects in a similar way. Netflix clone and photo editing. Yeah, I've added this one. Okay, so I've added my projects. What would I add now after projects? I can add my education. Same way I can add my education. So same way I can add my this one as well. I can add my education as well here. If I have to add education, I can create one more div section, yeah, with the class name edu, and inside this again I can give one more edu head, and inside this I can give h2 or h3 if you want to give education. Same way you will build your entire file, yeah, in the same class too. I have my education section, or instead of adding a class, can add the class instead of styling it again. So yeah, guys, I have my education here. I can add the I can choose some other cards now. I can add my education as well. Okay, so guys, whichever your preference, you can choose whatever the colors you want, whatever you wish to. You can do that as well. As of now, I like this color. This is looking good for education. I just choose this. I'll add this education to my folder. Yeah, yes, education is looking awesome. Yeah. So, but I don't want it to be full width. I can reduce the width for education section. Give again the margin for 40 pixels. Everything. See, it has reduced, but I'll give some more margin. It has reduced more. I'll give better. It has reduced more. So if you want, you can reduce it more to this size. You can change the width directly if you want. Instead of giving margin, give width like 200 pixels. 200 pixels is very less. Instead of 200 pixels, 700 pixels. This is okay, but I give it like 790 pixels. Yeah, this is looking nice. I'll bring it to center. Display. Flex. Justify content. I don't know. If I give this just display flex, I think that comes. Yeah. I will give the width this much of width here.
Shailani, I guess you need to select edu head, I guess.
Yeah. No, the entire container only for this one I was thinking. Let's see. Instead of this one, only for container I want to change, right? Let me just check the container. What's the class here? Card header we have. Should make sure that any other class is not similar to this one. Okay. We have something called card header. Let me just go with this card header. Card header. Instead of this, let me add this one more class for this one, like edu card. Copy this. Come here. Code and give a width of 790 pixels. 790 pixels. Awesome. Now, if I just okay, now if I have to align everything into the center, so what I can do is save it. Display flex. Let's come like this, but I will change it to flex direction column. Let's come like this. Now justify content to center. Let's see. This had come in center, but this has okay. So what I can do is I can this one to bring it in center, align items center. Awesome. See guys, I fixed the issue. I can add my education here. I can add my education like BCA, or I can add like bachelor of okay, or just for some or I can add the name of the university here and here the specialization. Okay, so okay, I can add here. Okay, ATI university. I've added this one. I cannot be see here. I can write 2-3 things about this. Yeah. So, apologies. I was able to crawl. So, yeah. So guys, yeah, this much we have did. I hope other sections also you guys would be able to add now. I think you have got the clear idea. If I give you any project, if I give you any template from here, you'd be able to match it at least, not 100%, at least 70 to 80% you guys would be able to match it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Can try our best, Shahil.
So yeah, guys, make your not everybody with the same. That won't look good, right? Everybody with the same portfolio, everybody with the same design. Okay, so let me give you some different task, and it will be a bit different, and you guys will enjoy it.
Okay, sir.
And I'll share it to other people who did not join today's class. For them, I'll share it. I'll share this one. Okay, this is also quite good colors. Okay, I'm sharing this inside a group. Guys, this is not for you guys. This is for the people who did not join today. Okay, once again, I'm iterating. This is for the people who are not joined today or who have missed the classes. Please go through the link and register. Please go through the link, not to register. Please go through the link and check the portfolio. Try building the same exact portfolio. Instead of this image, you can add your image. Try building the same kind of web page. Yeah, and if you this is a project, HTML and CSS project. This is like how after JavaScript you will be doing some JavaScript projects. Same way, this is a project for HTML and CSS. Same thing you guys will do. You can add the shapes and all, and everything you guys will be doing this one. Okay, guys, and so shall we move forward? One last thing to show how to bring this live. This was an excitement, very exciting part for everybody. How to bring this live and show. I know my project is my application is not live or not ready to bring it live. You can I can host it now itself, but yeah, I know it is not live. Later on I can change it or delete the repository, and I can do that as well. Let's go. I told everybody to make a GitHub account, so that is the only purpose I asked you guys to make a GitHub account. First thing, just come here, click on new. Okay, creating repository. You'll create a new repository. You'll come to GitHub. You will create a new repository, or just go to your repositories, click here on your profile, just go to your repositories. From here also you can create your repository here. Yeah, just click new. Okay, and give the name, let's say portfolio test. I'm just doing the test here, so portfolio test, public repository, include readme, create. I've created a profile. Only this much you need to do, and after this, here we have something called as here we have something called as add files or create new file, upload file. I'll just upload files, and I'll upload my all the files of my portfolio. Okay, so that JavaScript classes portfolio, I'll copy all the files, open. All of my files will be uploaded here. See, all the files are uploaded. I'll write a comment, portfolio for test, and I'll just save, commit the changes. All the files are getting processed. Everything is done. Okay, Everything came here. So guys, first thing, once again I'm showing to you, just come to GitHub after creating your account. Just click here, click on your repositories, and then click on new. Give the name to your repository. It can be resume, it can be anything. Don't forget to click on add readme file, yeah, and just click on create repository. You guys understood what to do? Anybody have any doubts, any questions? I think already you guys have made the GitHub repository as I told you yesterday. Anybody have any doubts, any questions till now here? After this I'll tell you what to do. Okay. So since I have already created the repository, I'll just go to my repositories. I'll just go to this profile portfolio test repository. Here you have something called as, okay, just go to this settings. We have something called as settings. Inside the settings we have something called as pages. Okay, guys, write it down. Go to repo. Okay, we have go to repository. Inside that repository we have something called as settings. I'm giving you the steps as well. Inside the settings we have something called as pages. Just click on pages. Here, simple thing you will do is deploy from branch. You don't have to do anything there. Click here, main. Inside this branches, inside branch, select main. Inside this branch, select main, click on save. And once you do this, now you guys will see the magic of this one. I just clicked on save and just refresh. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. It will take literally 1 or 2 minutes. Just click on save, refresh, and you will get your website link. Just okay. Let's wait for things. Okay. This is how even I have hosted my pages, guys. Okay. After that, if you just go to action, you will find it inside the actions. You will find the GitHub. It is getting deployed here, which means it is getting hosted on the GitHub. So let's wait 9 seconds. See, guys. After that, to find the hosted website, go to repository. Inside that actions. Okay, inside actions, just click on this one, and here you have a link, deploy link. Just click here and you will be able to, I should fix this and fix the image as well, but I've got my portfolio here. See, it is live. I can share it with anybody and he'll be able to see it. See, if I'm sharing it to you in the group, you guys can literally go to my page and access it. Okay, guys, isn't it amazing? I think somebody is texting me. So guys, again, the deadline for submitting this project is Thursday. Submit the project till Thursday. And what you will do is upload your projects to GitHub. Share me the repository link. So whatever you upload to GitHub, it is publicly live. So share me the repository link so that I can check your codes, how much effort you have done. Okay. And whenever you go to any technical interviews like HR rounds, anything like that, even HRs, even for HRs, even in your resumes, even in your video talks, you would use your GitHub profiles literally, because that's the proof that you have did the code. So many developers upload their code to GitHub and they share it with the HRs, they share it with the company owners, the company stakeholders, the clients, with freelancers. They share the code. rating. How was the session today? Okay, Sajid 10, Aisha 10. Okay, before asking itself. Thank you, Pawan. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for your feedback. Thank you, Sharaz. Thank you so much, guys, for your feedbacks. As I told, you can reach out to me anytime. While you're doing projects, you can reach out to me. I'll be helping you out. So this is it for HTML and CSS from upcoming classes. We'll be straight away going to JavaScript. Bye bye, guys. Enjoy the day.